Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you filter out your internal traffic to your website in Google Analytics, or GA4? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter out internal traffic to your website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking the data in analytics is important to help improve conversions. And if you're getting data from internal traffic, it's going to throw those numbers off. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to exclude your internal traffic, first you want to make sure you're working in the correct property right here. Once you've chosen the correct property, here on the left side on the bottom, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop up, and you want to click here on data collection and modification, and then you want to click on data streams. If you don't see it there for some reason, it's over here on the right as well. Data streams, either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Once you click on data streams, you're going to see the website data stream information right here, and just click on the arrow next to it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on this line right here, configure tag settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to look for this section here called settings. You can see there's only 3 options, but you need to click right here, show more, to open that up. Once you do that, you're going to see this option right here, define internal traffic. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start adding in our internal traffic rules. So you want to click on this blue create button. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start adding these rules in. So the first rule, let's say we can put this as home office, and then we can go ahead and choose an IP address that equals 2, and then we'll just add that in. Okay, once you've added that in, go ahead and click add condition. Okay, now we can continue adding in more IP addresses. And then once you're done, you want to click on create here on the top right. Okay, so now we have defined our internal traffic. So let me close out of this. All right, let me close out of it, and let me shut down the web stream details. Okay, now what we're going to do is here on the left side, we're going to go ahead and open up once again data collection and modification. And instead of clicking on data streams, you want to click on data filters. Okay, data filters, you can see that we've already set up internal traffic, and we've already defined what our internal traffic is. However, current state, you can see it's under testing. So we want to go ahead and open this up. Okay, once you've opened that up, you want to scroll down and make sure that you have clicked this on as active. Once you've clicked on active, you want to click on save. Next, you get this warning, filter changes are by nature destructive and irreversible. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on activate filter. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this filter is active. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to filter internal traffic to your Google Analytics or your GA4, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.